Hey friends, if Windows 11 USB sounds keep playing randomly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, there's a very high chance that the issue is with the hardware, with the USB itself, and that will be resolved separately. But as for the software level, then here's what we can do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now in the device manager window, expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB root hub driver and update it. Now right click on it, select properties, go to power management and uncheck both the boxes. Click on OK. Right click on the second one and update the drivers and repeat it for all the USB root hub drivers. This is the only solution that I can think of at a software level. The rest the hardware is faulty. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.